Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Pick a reputable online SQL editor that offers a sandbox database and SSL connection. Look for editors that support MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQLite dialects in their interface. Sign up with an email and enable two-factor authentication for account safety to protect your work. Use a sample database like Sql or Chinook to practice queries safely without risking production data. Review the editor documentation for limits like query timeouts and storage size, so you know operational constraints. Start with select queries to retrieve columns and rows from tables. Specify columns explicitly and avoid select asterisk when you only need specific fields. Use where clauses and limit to refine results and reduce load on the server and speed responses. Practice join using inner join and left join to combine related tables with clear on conditions. Test insert, update, and delete statements on a sandbox or backup copy to avoid accidental data loss. Save queries as scripts or notebooks inside the editor for future reuse. Use descriptive names and comments so you can find logic quickly later. Export results to CSV or JSON for reporting and analysis outside the tool when sharing with colleagues. Automate exports with scheduled jobs if the editor supports them to build repeatable workflows. Revoke shared links and rotate API keys regularly to maintain security and prevent unauthorized access to your data and queries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.